Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So, I have some unboxings. A unboxing. So in this one, I am going to show you the Bargain Bead Box collection. And it's called Boughs and Berries. And I'll tell you right now, I took a sneak peek at the extras that they put out before I got this this collection. And I ordered the extras because it was Boughs and Berries Christmas. So I have to say I did kind of open up and take a peek before I got with you guys because I just wanted to take a sneak peek at it. And so I'm actually going to pause you. I'm going to get these all set up in order and I will be right back. All right, so I got this in order. So number one, and I'm going to grab a beading board because this is going on a beading tray because we are going to be working with this as soon as I possibly can. I've got one other project to finish, and then these are getting worked on. So it is a moss agate pendant, donut pendant, and you know, I swear they've read my mind because I've been looking at donut pendants to do some bead embroidery with for a couple weeks now, and I just hadn't found any that I liked. So hey, thank you. They gave me a donut pendant, and this is moss agate, so it's this dark green. It's luscious. Next, we have a 15-inch strand of 8mm moss agate round beads. And so these are absolutely just gorgeous. I'm gonna take these out and put them on. I always get a better feel for these beads. That reminds me of holly, or boughs, Christmas. Next we have 6mm tree agate matte. So these are kind of white and green. Oh, those are just pretty. I'm absolutely loving those because that reminds me of winter. That reminds me of wintry, snowy branches. Snow on the branches of Christmas trees. I'm loving this. I'm thinking maybe I'll do bead embroidery earrings and maybe I'll make them Christmas trees. What do you think, guys? What do you think about that? Number 4, we have a moss agate kite pendant. Kite. Okay, so I'm throwing it. It looks like a little kite. Ooh, that's pretty. And it's kind of see-through. It's not fully opaque. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Maybe we'll make a Christmas ornament, too. Next, we have 6mm green tiger eye. Green tiger eye. Ooh, they're dyed. It's dyed and heated. But that is pretty green tiger's eye. I'm going to put that in this here. That is very pretty. Ooh, those are very luscious. Luscious. I'm loving those. And then number 6, we have red jasper faceted round beads. So these are kind of orangey brown, but I like it. We can work with these. They're not as red as I'd like them to be, but we can work with that. Next, we have 10mm moonstone glass frosted round beads. Now, these are man-made, so they're not real full moonstone. Can you see the flash in that? I mean, that is, I just absolutely love the flash in that. We are going to cut this bead off. They tied it really weird there. Not sure why they did that, but all right. Ooh, I like it. That reminds me of ice crystals. Ooh. Silver and icy crystals. I'm getting ideas already, guys. Next, we have faceted barrel beads in frosted mint green. I'm loving these, and I don't normally like mint for a color, but I'm digging it. Can you see the gorgeous, they're frosted, but then they have this, like, so they're matte on, like, on some spots, but then on others, it's got this blue, green, yellow flash. Oh, I'm really liking those as well. Well done, Bargain Bead Box. Well done. I'm getting in the holiday spirit. I'm going to have to go watch Christmas movies here after I'm done these unboxings. Actually, I was watching one earlier today when I was taking a break from cleaning. So I had a whole bunch of housekeeping to do this morning, so I did all of that, and then I started watching a Christmas movie, but decided I needed to get these unboxings done for you guys. Next, we have crystal faceted triangle beads. Now, we've gotten these before from the Bargain Bead Box, and I love these things. These are those really sparkly, and they're really weird triangle shape beads, but they're sparkly. I mean, they're super sparkly. So I am going to take these and I'm going to set these aside because I want to keep these separate, because what I don't use of these are going to go in my embroidery stash and just to show you, so it's literally, it's a triangle, and it's like this really weird shape that doesn't have a flat, completely flat side anywhere. So it's just this really fun, sparkly, random shape. Another ice crystal, like, and so I'm going to put those up there. Oh, they're so sparkly. So, like, when you see them, you know, on the wire, it doesn't do them justice to when they're all together in. Can you see the color flash on that? There's purples and greens and clear, and it's just absolutely amazing. And this one's tied on. I hate it when they do that, because I can't get that off. All right, we'll just cut that as close as we can. There we go. And it'll come loose. There we go. All right, so next we have 4x3 crystal faceted rondelles in crystal AB. Ooh, sparkles. I don't know if you can see the flash on that. It's kind of like these. They're matte, but they have a flash. I am going to set those in here as well, if I can get this out. Sometimes when they put these things together, oh, there we go. They don't make it easy for you to get the beads off. And I know it's so that they don't come apart in shipping, but oh, pretty, 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 pretty. Now I'm seeing those brown ones with that, and I'm thinking for these, like with these beads and these, I'm thinking if I had some bright red, Christmas red, cranberry color, that would have been awesome. Now there is some red in this, but it's matte, but we're going to get to that. So right now we have the 6mm matte round beads in Holly Berry. So now we've got the Holly Berry, we've got the green and the white, which is, there's my Christmas right there. I just don't know if I like the matte with that. I may want to use some red, regular red beads, but I love this red color. It's holly. It's a Christmassy red. It's a cranberry, Christmassy. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. I'm seeing Christmas in our future, which is amazing because I can't believe it's already November. I don't even know where the time went. Next, we have 10 millimeter rhinestone round beads. And so these are just sparkly red rhinestone pave. They call them pave beads, I think. Oopsie. Next, we have 2-piece 10 millimeter lamp work glass beads. And these are, they've just got little bits of lighter color on them. So we're going to set those in there because those are special beads. Next, we have a evergreen pendant. And I saw this and I was like, oh, I love it. There is your Christmas, like Christmas branch. So I can see that with those green beads, or, you know, yeah, we're definitely going to have some fun with that. Next, we have a stainless steel wreath focal. So this is just a wreath. So you can use it as a focal. You can use it as, I mean, I could sew beads into that. I could sew that onto the donut. There's a lot of things I can do with that. Next, we have steel pine tree oval pendant, and I can't see what's on this because it was upside down. Ooh, it's a pine tree. It's a cute little pine tree. Oh, that's so fun. I think that's going to be like a drop to something. Like maybe I'll sew on and then have, or sew that and have a drop. I don't know, but that is fun. I'm actually thinking, no, I don't know. I'm thinking, getting ideas. Next, we have holly leaf charms. And of course, anything Christmas, I'm in. I'm 100% in. These are absolutely adorable. They're darling. They're 3-leaf holly. They're silver. I can see those being the end of, you know, something with red and maybe not that color green, maybe this one. I don't know, but I can see those being, I see these in my future. I see a lot of those in my future, I hope. Next we have mistletoe branches. Ooh, I'm loving it. So we got the holly leaf charms, and then we've got these mistletoe branches. And so those are connectors. And so I'm assuming that, you know, you've got 4 of them and they're all the same. So they all go the same direction, but I'm thinking we could make a pair of earrings out of those and maybe make asymmetrical earrings, or I could sew these down to, you know, or we could do something like that and have them sewn. I think I'm going to do something like that and connect them somehow so that we have a like that, and it turns into, I like that. I'm going to actually set that right there like that because that is my idea. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. Maybe resin, maybe wire, I don't know, but something's going to happen with that. Next, we have 3 sets of wreath toggle clasps. And so these mimic that other wreath here. So it's just a toggle clasp. Those are very pretty. Next, we have a meter of chain, stainless steel, and they call it knurled oval chain. So it's got like little creases on it. I don't know if you can see that in the light at all. There's just little markings on it, so it makes it sparkly. And then we have a 4x3 corrugated round spacer beads. Now, we've gotten these before, and I'm going to set that over there because I'm going to put these in there. So we've gotten these before as well. So they're just little round beads. Good for Christmas. Definitely good for Christmas. And lastly, we've got mini cone bead caps. And so these are tiny little bead caps, which I think will fit maybe not the 6, but maybe they'll fit those. Ooh, that's pretty. And then they'll definitely fit the bigger ones. Yep. So these are pretty. I cannot wait to play with this. I don't even know where I want to put these. We'll put those in there. So we got actually a lot of stuff this month in the collection, and it's called Boughs and Berries. So I can't wait to get started. Approximate retail value for this is $97. So bargain bead box. This is amazing. Thank you. Well done. I love it. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. I am going to eagerly get started on designing because I've already got an idea here and I haven't decided what I want to do, but I'm thinking some crystals. Maybe we'll tie it together with some crystals. I definitely want to do it like that off center, and then we'll have this as a point and that as a point. And maybe I'll do, I don't know, maybe we'll do something really fun. We'll do something really fun with that. Maybe. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about it. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.